Method 1. Open search, type services, click on it, find print spooler and double click on it. Set startup type to automatic and click on start. Click OK. Right click on print spooler and select restart. Click if the issue is fixed. Method 2. Open search, type Bluetooth and other device setting, click on it. Scroll down and click more devices and printer setting. Find your printer, right click it and select see what's printing. Click on printer, then select cancel all document to remove pending prints. Check if it's work. Method 3. Open search, type find and fix problem with printing and click on it. Click next and let it scan for issues. It will try to fix any problems automatically. Method 4. Open search, type printer and scanner, click on it. Select your printer and click on remove. Click add device to reinstall the printer. Check if the issue is resolved. Method 5. Restart your computer. See if the problem is fixed. Thank you.